engaging and versatile seating is the core of Hyundai Alcazar, offering seating layout of 6 and 7-seater SUV to accommodate various needs of solo, family and group travel. Hyundai Alcazar offers best-in-segment wheelbase, thus ensuring ample space for all 3-row passengers and an indulging chauffeur-driven travel experience. It provides option of ergonomically designed captain seats with excellent thigh support and cushioning. Both the second-row captain seats and 60-40 split seats come with sliding function for flexibility of adjusting the leg room. It can be adjusted by using a lever located below the seat. Additionally, reclining function can be used for setting up comfortable seat back position. Whether family or group travel, Hyundai Alcazar takes care of everyone's need. The second row one-touch tip and tumble seats combined with thoughtfully designed footsteps and third row assist handle ensures a hassle-free entry into the third row. Further, the third row recline function along with ample legroom and headroom offer a comfortable seating to the occupants. Hyundai Alcazar provides flexibility of multiple seating configurations for both family travel and solo adventures. The boot space with all 3-row seats in use stands at 180 liters, good enough to easily accommodate bags for short weekend trips as well as carrying camping and adventure kits. So friends, to enhance your travel experience, the second and third row seats of Hyundai Alcazar can be configured to suit different lifestyles, thus creating gateway memories with friends and family. Surround View Monitor or SVM is an advanced system that displays a bird's eye view of Hyundai Alcazar with the help of 4 strategically mounted cameras. When in reverse or the view button is pressed in drive or neutral, the surround view will be displayed on the infotainment screen. If vehicle speed is over 15 km per hour, the surround view turns off automatically and only rear view is displayed. SVM provides various camera modes with 360-degree top view as standard across all modes. The desired view can be selected by using options on the touch screen. In reverse, the display of rear wide view is the default setting. You can also change the display to rear top view or display the rear side view. The camera view turns off when car is shifted to parking gear. In drive or neutral, the display of front wide view is the default setting. You can also change the display of front top view or display the front side view. Additionally, for safer lane change on highways, Hyundai Alcazar is equipped with first-in-segment blind view monitor. It enhances the driver's visibility by eliminating the blind spot. When either side turn signal is activated, blind view monitor displays vehicles that are in blind spot. The image is displayed on the digital dials so that it is right in your line of sight. Thus, Hyundai Alcazar's SVM and BVM together enhances safety by giving you second pair of eyes. Hyundai Alcazar's 10.25 multi-display digital cluster is largest in its segment and provides quick and easy access to many useful settings and information screens. The home screen is displayed with digital tachometer and speedometer. The trip computer displays driving information such as trip meter, fuel economy, and also provides access to other useful settings. The cluster display themes can be customized by selecting the theme option in infotainment screen. 10.25 digital cluster displays color-linked drive modes, comfort, eco, sport, along with traction control modes, snow, sand, mud, which enhances the overall driving experience. It further adds to the driving convenience by displaying turn-by-turn navigation, ensuring that you don't have to take your eyes off the road. Also, provision of compass display is quite useful for those adventure trips. On safety front, it displays the front parking sensor display and tire pressure monitoring system, reassuring safety for occupants. Hyundai Alcazar redefines the segment benchmarks with its perfect combination of flexibility, premiumness, and safety.
के अंदर